Greetings, lovers of freedom. Greetings, my wonderful people all over the world. Depending your time zone or any time you come across this video, please watch this video to the end. Please, my people, subscribe.
Call police for me, arrest me, kill me. As you're looking at me, I know I will soon leave this earth because my time is already up. Because of what? I am a messenger. And as long as my hands and my body is clean and God is with me, I know they fear death. God said, revolution that is coming, it will be beyond law. And that revolution, government cannot handle it. And after that revolution, a young man called Very Dark Man, the whole youth in Nigeria will choose him as a president. And he will sit there and handle everything. And nobody will challenge him. I am not a fan of Very Dark Man. I am not his fan. But I'm only saying what God showed me. When he will take over the seat, nobody will travel to oversee again. He will send aeroplane the whole country for them to bring back all the Nigerians that are in the foreign land that are suffering. He will tell them to come down and open their company. That before you enter Nigeria, you must have visa. And you must enter with visa and everything. And secondly, when that time comes, he will decide to create peace. Yoruba will be a different country. Hausa will be different country. You will know what is going on. Calabar, Efik, they will be the highest expensive country. And they will be the richest. And they will be their own country. And by that time, Igbos will be their own country. And they will stay. That which you are afraid of will come to reality. And God said, He is going to raise women. And the women are coming. After the revolution of the women, the original revolution will come. And what we are afraid of will come to pass. I don't know what we are afraid of. I am only a messenger. I don't have a base. I only go around saying what God asked me to say. I'm not against anyone. Where there is no vision, people perish. My dear, I've never come out for one day and tell anybody, thus says the Lord. And it did not happen. When I went to Ghana, I gave them message. They came to harass me. I gave them date. The date did not cross. Their president died. They leave me. I came back. Makagini, Onye Chorijide is very useless. A useless person like me. Ijime Megan, it doesn't have a problem. I only speak when God asks me to. I'm not scared. That is why I always give her my phone number. 081-01-45-1796. My name is Nmagha Jehovah. Nmagha Jehovah started Nmagha. Jehovah, Jehova. That is my name. So many people, they are always walking around using my name to commit evil. But let me tell you, no matter what the kingdom of Satan is doing, darkness cannot call light for judgment. Thus says the Lord of hosts.